Today, we're making that same anti-gravity harness available to you with managed agents in the Gemini API. You can easily start creating your agents by adding custom instructions, tools, and data through a single call to the Gemini API. To help you get started, we've added a set of new custom agents that you can run instantly.
Today, we're launching the Anti-Gravity SDK. Yeah. It gives developers and researchers the exact same agent harness optimized for Gemini, but with the ultimate flexibility to run it wherever and however you want. You can go from an idea to an Android app directly in AI Studio. No software to install, no SDKs to manage, and no local environment needed. To start, yes, hallelujah. Awesome, yeah. To start, all you have to do is select Build an Android app and start prompting.
We're introducing Google Anti-Gravity 2.0, a new desktop application that is unabashedly agent first.
So I want to fine-tune Gemma 4 to directly give me a bash command response with no additional fluff, so that I can use the response directly in my CI pipeline. I have a data set of prompt to bash commands, write the training and eval code for doing a LoRa fine-tuning over this data set, as well as the code to deploy my custom Gemma 4 model on my laptop. I've SSH'd into my GPU-enabled VM, and I'm going to pull down the code from main that we just wrote in Anti-Gravity 2.0. I've already have the Anti-Gravity CLI installed on this machine, and it's running in a separate tab. No GUI necessary. I just asked the agent to start the training job that we just wrote. I'm going to use the CLI to do a quick sanity check on the first few steps to make sure the loss is trending in the right direction and everything is healthy. I actually kicked off the same exact run earlier. I let it run for a few hours. So I'm just going to use that checkpoint and ask my agent to deploy that resulting model to my laptop so that we can all see that this does indeed work. In minutes, we used Anti-Gravity to go from no code to fine-tuning Gemma 4 on our own custom use case.
So we took everything we learned from how you use Gemini CLI and rolled those insights into the Anti-Gravity CLI as well. So starting today, the Anti-Gravity CLI is available to all Gemini CLI users.
Today, we're also bringing official Android support to Anti-Gravity, so you can more easily deliver the most performant experiences for your users, no matter where they are or what kind of devices they have.
Setting up the environment without Android Studio is kind of a pain. But now Anti-Gravity has our new Android CLI built in.
These screenshots are nice and all, but we need to see how this looks across multiple configurations and whether that AI summary really works offline. Anti-Gravity enables you to orchestrate your agents, but the ideal setup is to use Anti-Gravity alongside Android Studio.
You can easily transition to Android Studio at any time and get that production-grade polish. For example, with the agent, I can ask open the compose previews for the home screen in Android Studio. And then, pixels percolating, there it is.
There really hasn't been a solution to keeping up with new features until now. Today, we're launching a new tool to supercharge your agents, Modern Web Guidance, a comprehensive and expert-vetted set of skills providing AI agents with a blueprint for modern web features. This looks amazing. But you know what? All of these menus, options, and sliders, so you know what I'm going to ask. Can we make this work seamlessly with agents?
With WebMCP, we can now make this web page agent-ready in minutes. This proposed browser standard lets you expose web capabilities to browser-based agents.
Okay, so we've added some new features to our website, but could we have the coding agent now test this like a real user would?
That all changes with the new Chrome DevTools for agents. Your agent can finally see how the code it has written performs at runtime. With the MCP server, the CLI, and a set of tailored skills, it finally creates a closed feedback loop for agents. That's phenomenal for building, validating, and debugging.
We hope you'll take what you've seen today and push it to the limit.